Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on 24-hour temperature cast. I think a little different today because not only are the temperatures starting a little bit higher, but they're going to get a little bit higher. A little different setup than we had with all the rain yesterday. I think we can get to 70 with some of those breaks and gaps, which should last longer today. It's still going to be real cloudy out there. It's still going to be real wet out there, but I don't think it's the same kind of rain we're looking at today. I see some showers in quite a few areas. It's nothing real heavy. Anything that would be a little bit more significant is in parts of Hamilton and Eccles County now, and that's trying to move from east to west, so we could certainly find more spots getting more showers as we go through the morning. You can see it here over the past 3 hours coming in from the east, all wrapping around that big area of low pressure that's to our south and is finally starting to move a little bit more towards the peninsula. The sooner it gets out of here, the sooner we can start to clear things up. I think the story today is still going to be about the cloudy, the damp, and the on again, off again showers, but nowhere near as many showers or as often or as heavy as what we had yesterday. It's 63 degrees right now in Tallahassee. It's 62 in Valdosta. Thomasville starting off at 59. We still have that breeze out of the northeast, and I think we're going to notice that throughout the day today, and that should do a pretty good job of limiting some of the morning fog. How about 65 in Perry and 66 in Cross City? It's 54 in Blakely and in Dothan, Alabama. I see 57s for Mariana, for Bainbridge, and for Moultrie, so maybe a little more variety with those temperatures, but region-wide, a little bit warmer out there this morning. And here's that breeze, 9, 12, 15 miles per hour in spots out of the northeast. And I think that breeze will be fairly persistent throughout the day today. So expect to notice the breezy conditions. Most of our visibility numbers better than 3 miles. And the reasons for the reductions, those are the showers that are coming down out there. It's not real fog or anything like that, not with the breeze that we have. And you can see how those showers are trying to drift through our area from east to west. Not our normal direction to see showers. Usually we see them come from west and go to the east, but this is all wrapping around that low pressure that's to our south. And the way the winds flow around that area of low pressure counterclockwise, now we start to get those east winds, and that's where the showers come from. It was a real soggy day up and down the Florida Peninsula, a real soggy day around here. Many areas picking up more than an inch worth of rain. We needed it. We'll take it. We think we can get a little bit more today, but I don't think we're going to get quite the same amount like we saw yesterday. That slow-moving low finally does scoot east. There's actually another boundary that will likely reinforce some of the drier air over the weekend. I don't think it's going to give us any showers because most of the moisture will be all wrung out of the clouds by then. But I think what that can do is maybe freshen up that breeze by Sunday and help to clear things up even more. So on the Futurecast, I think today, some showers and maybe even a little clearing trying later on out to western sections. Tonight into tomorrow, a little better chance to get a little more clearing, and things do look like they're going to brighten up as we head into the upcoming weekend. Here's that boundary, maybe late Friday, early Saturday, not triggering any showers, but may freshen up that breeze and kick up a few clouds. As we get through the day Saturday into Sunday, it does look like a really nice November weekend is on the way, and that should look and feel extra good after a couple of really soggy days in the middle of the week. Now, as far as the tropical weather goes, we've been watching the same area here in the Caribbean. It's a little bit to the south and west of Jamaica. It's trying. Starting to look a little bit more organized too as we go through the week, and we'll see if that can turn into anything. Still a 50-50 chance as it moves from south and west to north and east. There's actually this other thought that maybe north of the Bahamas, east of Florida, when this energy, that slow-moving low, finds its way out there, maybe it can acquire some tropical characteristics. Nothing to get excited about, but certainly something for us to keep our eyes on. Small crafts need to use some caution. Got showers, got breezy conditions. Those winds out of the east and northeast up about 22 knots and seas up to about 4 feet. This morning, put the rain chances around 60%. It's 50s, it's 60s. It's not the nicest of mornings, but it's nowhere near the nastiest. I think this afternoon we'll keep the shower chances up. I'm not expecting nearly as many, and I do think we'll see top temperatures near 70. Tonight, a little clearing tries. The rain chances start to fizzle out a little bit more. Maybe we'll see a few more spots fall back into the 50s. And here's that 7-day forecast. We don't quite get to Thanksgiving Day yet, but we do get to a very November-ish weekend. You know, low 70s and upper 40s. That's the normal temperature split this time of year. I'll take 50 and 75 if we get that on Sunday, and I think we can.